Hello beautiful ladies, I hope you have a great day so far. Friends, in today's video I am going to share with you what I am packing for my 12-day vacation. 12-day vacation. So first of all, this Nivea Soft Moisturizing Refreshing Cream. It's very lightweight and not greasy your face. So it is 50 ml of this tub, and it's very convenient for traveling, so that's why I keep it with me. Next friends, this is Max Factor Glossfinity Glossy Nail Lip Color up to 7 days. It's very long lasting nail polish in 155 burgundy crush, and this is 11 ml of product, so that's why I keep it because the color is very gorgeous for festive or this winter season. Next friends, this Nutri-Glow Daily Defense Skin Cream with golden shimmer and 7-in-1 daily care product, light to medium. So this is in my project pan for a long time, so this is the time that I use it more in these days, so that's why I keep this one. Next friends, this REM Beauty foundation, and this is the shade medium 2N. This is in my it's still in packaging, so I definitely try it and then I review it, how it work for me or how it feels on skin. So that's that. Next friends, I pick up some lip products. This is Sephora liquid lipstick in the shade 14, and some people say it's very long lasting. I bought it from, I think, in 2022, maybe in holidays, with some other shades, so I use it in first time. So let's see how the shade, and this is my all-time favorite from Maybelline, 24 color lipstick, and it's very long lasting. So this is the shade name and number, you can read. Next friends, this is from Color Care 111 Mousse Pink, very beautiful dark pink shade and suit for this warm weather. So this is also in my project pan, so why not I use this. Next friends, this is from Rimmel Cat, and this is in the shade 107. This is also in my project pan, and you can see how much it left. And next friends, I keep one lip balm from Baby Lips, and this is in a pink bunch. It keeps your lips moisturized all day and give a little bit color to your lips, which gives natural look. Next friends, I keep with me one Color Bliss mascara, and this is also a long lasting smudge proof or waterproof. Next friends, I keep with me this ADS blush, and this is the number 9831, and beautiful baby pink shade, and give a little bit glow. Next friends, I keep two eyeshadows. One, this eyeshadow palette, it's from very long time in my collection, and all the shades which I like, and one from Max Factor single eyeshadow. Sometime I use just this one. Next friends, I keep two brush, one from face, it is a face brush for highlighter or blush, and one for eyeshadow. So these are the makeup item. I bring two crunchies for my hair, and one serum from Matrix, and it keep my hair smooth and straight, so I keep this one. So these are all the products which I keep in my makeup bag, so for my vacations. So I put all the things in this bag. During travel, this bag keeps your makeup safe and secure. Now I put this one in this makeup pouch. So that's it friends, these are all the things which I keep with me. I hope you like the video friends. If you like, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching friends.